we are his family, but actually we are playing this adult stars who are shooting all the spoofs. So it's a hilarious concept, a beautiful story altogether around that story. So
Hello Claudia.
hi.
It's all about your debut film.
Yes.
What would you like to about to say that? How you feeling exciting?
I'm very excited. Obviously, it's my first full-fledged role in a Bollywood movie. So I hope people will like that. People will like my work, and don't forget to watch it on 22nd January, guys. Just few more days.
So, did you speak Hindi in the film?
Yes, मैं सिर्फ हिंदी बात कर रही थी और डबिंग खुद मैंने किया.
Oh wow. So, would you like to share any incident during the film you were shooting?
You know, there was the entire month we were shooting in Thailand, 2 weeks in Bangkok, 2 weeks in Pattaya. So it was a wonderful experience altogether. And because it is an adult comedy, so all the time that non-veg jokes we were cracking all the time. And also, you must be knowing about, you have seen the trailer, I believe. So the entire concept is coming from Hollywood. So all this USP of the movie is also those spoofs which you haven't seen before in any Bollywood movies. So obviously I'm playing a part of that, and in the second half I am playing a sanskari sister of Tushar, because he falls in love and he has to fake that we are his family, but actually we are playing this adult stars who are shooting all the spoofs. So it's a hilarious concept, a beautiful story altogether around that story. So it was so much fun shooting for that movie.
Okay. Would you like to share that? How did you cast in the film?
Definitely, Balaji has its own casting agency which contacted me for the same, and I did the first audition. So the director kind of liked that. So then they sent me another 2 scenes of the movie. Again, we did one more audition, and afterwards the director really liked that, and he called me for the narration. And afterwards, there was no turning back. I got signed.
Claudia, did you audition before? Before Kya Cool Hai Hum?
For the movie?
For any film?
Yeah, I did few auditions also, and even for any reality show, you also have to do auditions. Vizor Ka Jaat Ka Beat. Big Boss, I didn't have to, but even Comedy Circus also we were trying, because Comedy Circus was all about the comedy and timing and my Hindi. So even for that, we had to rehearse a bit and audition. So yeah, obviously audition is always a part of that. As I said, I was doing Comedy Circus before for 15 episodes. So, I got the feel how comedy has to be done. And a part of that, Tushar and Aftab are wonderful co-stars if it comes to comedy. The timings is just perfect and fantastic. Krishna Abhishek is also a part of that movie, and he's the king of comedy itself. So, to work with experienced actors makes it even easy for us. So I must say only thank you to them for supporting and for rehearsing also before every shot. That the timing is perfect, and also it couldn't be even better to start my first movie opposite experienced actor, which are also very helpful. Any dialogue in the movie? Okay, there is one dialogue in the movie which me and Tushar, as I said, there are this very funny spoofs which we are doing. So one spoof is Keek, basically from the movie Kick, but we named it Leak. I hope 18 plus public is watching that only. So but yeah, you have seen the trailer also. So me and Tushar are there, and he's saying kabhi devil aapke niche, kabhi aap devil ke niche. Too much fun. So you will see many those funny dialogues. I'm playing Basanti from the movie Sholle also. I'm playing so many roles in that spoofs in Kya Cool Hai Hum Part 3. So I'm assuring you will have so much fun watching that movie.